Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Unfortunately, for Umga Gabriel, umntanakhe uBonko now knows ukuthi abomalume abafonelwanga. Yes, Felicia finally, like the truth is out. Ukuthi Felicia did not call the uncles. Now, the question that Ubonko will ask is that why did you not do that? And when the uncles are called, will Felicia have the heart to tell her son the truth, or will she allow her son to marry this girl without knowing the truth? Also, we all know Guti love is blind, so sometimes allowing him to make his own mistake, it would be better, but. What will Felicia do? Because she is not telling Ubonko the truth. While Umaruna went to the pastor for prayers, and my prayers were they are not led by God because she low-key bribed the prayers with tickets to Paris for Umfundisi no Mamfundisi for their anniversary. And it looks like it's something that she does on a yearly basis. So with that said, will Bonko find out ukuthi Felicia did not call the uncles? Will he found out ukuthi Umaruna is not pure? What's going to happen? But yeah, Umaruna's sister looks like things are happening for her. Ugo went for got an interview, a call for an interview. Ugo went to the interview, go came back, and she got the job. Ugo was super excited because you could see Uguti, she's low-key the black sheep of the family because she's not bringing any bread to the table. While on the other hand, the Felicia, the private investigator found out ukuthi lo akayi ku-counseling i-counseling uka-dress ban. Hayi bamtholile shem Gabriel, but we all know ukuthi Gabriel will make a plan that will make Felicia look like she's crazy and he will continue to win because that's how I think the storyline is going. Now this side chick, lo muhle, on point. Will she shake the marriage or will the marriage stand despite a Gabriel cheating?